Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in South Korea. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. South Korea is a country in East Asia. South Korea's mixed economy consists mainly of transportation, energy, infrastructure, and tourism, which makes currency exchange a key economical factor. As Forex trading has become increasingly popular over the course of the more recent years, beginners who are considering entering the markets should find themselves a globally regulated, reputable, and safe broker to trade with. As such, finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in South Korea and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when searching for a trustworthy broker who accept and offer their services to local investors from this country. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in South Korea. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries and offers support in over 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the CySEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, standard, XM Ultra Low, and shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also provides their very own educational resource center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. At number 4 on our list, we have Libertex. Libertex is an online Forex and CFD brokerage brand, which is the trading arm of Indication Investments Limited, which is a part of the Forex Club Group. Libertex is regulated by the CySEC, was founded in 2014, and offers traders currency pairs, stocks, crypto assets, metals, indices, agricultural products, oil and gas instruments, and more. Featured platforms are available on the Libertex proprietary platform, as well as the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Libertex offers a demo account, real account, and a professional account. In order to apply for a professional account, you will need to meet the criteria provided. Their real account features Gold, Gold Plus, Platinum, and VIP statuses. Libertex also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginner lessons on getting started with trading, a variety of webinars that you can sign up to, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational resources with Libertex. Coming in at number 3 is Saxo Bank. Saxo Bank is a globally regulated multi-asset class broker, which offers traders the option to trade on more than 40,000 instruments. Regulated in 15 jurisdictions, including authorization from the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Financial Services Agency of Japan, and many more. Specializing in Forex, CFDs, commodities, futures, Forex options, listed options, cryptocurrencies, and more. Available platforms are featured on the Saxo Go and Saxo Pro trading platforms, with access to third-party tools and APIs, which are available as a web-based browser application and are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Demo, Saxo, Corporate, and Professional accounts, with Classic, Platinum, and VIP tiers, which provide 24-hour 5 days a week customer support services, lower prices, access to over 40,000 instruments, and more. Saxo Bank also provides their very own educational center, which delves into various trading topics, such as how-to video tutorials, their featured market call podcasts, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, a selection of written educational content that covers risk management, the psychology of trading, as well as courses in the financial markets for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational content with Saxo Bank. At number 2 on our list is Swissquote. Swissquote is an online, fully regulated financial broker, regulated by the Swiss Federal Financial Market Supervisory Authority, and is a member of the Swiss Bankers Association. Founded in the year 2000, with its headquarters located in Switzerland, over 400,000 traders choose Swissquote as their preferred financial broker. Swissquote offers traders the ability to trade in Forex, CFDs, and options on a variety of asset classes, which include currency pairs, FX options, metals, indices, commodities, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on Swissquote's Advanced Trader platform, as well as the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Standard, Premium, and Professional accounts, with lower spreads, no commissions, expert advisors, access to over 200 Forex and CFD instruments, and more. Swissquote also provide their very own educational section, which features courses in financial trading, a variety of downloadable ebooks that delve into introductions, risk management, among other trading topics, webinars that you can sign up to, as well as a trading glossary for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with Swissquote. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in South Korea, we have Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is an online financial broker that was founded in 1978 and is regulated by multiple financial authorities, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. Interactive Brokers offers sophisticated trading technology and specializes in trading through stocks, options, futures, Forex, precious metals, bonds, and more. Platforms are available on Interactive Brokers' client portal web application, their very own trader workstation platform, as well as IBKR mobile application with featured APIs, and are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Interactive Brokers offers a wide variety of account options to suit the needs of any trader, from individual, joint and family accounts to small business accounts, advisors accounts, and more. Interactive Brokers also features their very own Traders Academy, which covers beginner, intermediate and advanced trading courses, a Traders Insight panel, a variety of short educational videos, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, and more if you are looking for any additional education with Interactive Brokers. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in South Korea on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.